Hey guys, do you remember the Racer Pro? I've been using it for the last couple months, but they just sent me this awesome battery and charging base to go with it. This is $50 and I want to open it right here on the Floaty channel. Don't forget, you can get 10% off if you use the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's take a look. Okay, let's open up the battery and charging base. Got a cord here. Here's the battery and the base. Pretty simple. The cord they have here is a USB-C to USB-C. We have connection. And this side will have to go into a block that connects into the wall. So let me just grab one of those. All right, so you can also use, if you have a USB to USB-C, that's okay. It will work also with this charging base. So that's what I've done here. I've put in my USB-C to USB, and it's just connected to this table here. So we're going to connect the battery, and we should see a little red flashing light telling us that it is charging. So what's cool about this is when you're working with the Mast Racer Pro, you can take out the battery super easily, just like that, and replace it. Cool. So now I have a backup battery and I can charge the one from my machine as well. Look at that. They both need to charge. So we'll let that one sit. All right, I'm excited to use this extra battery now in my studio. You need a backup if you're doing larger jobs, so I should be able to do those larger projects now. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Dragonhawk Official. And don't forget, if you're watching this, you can get that 10% off if you use the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.